Hey, what's up, away? And welcome to another episode with me, Icho. Well, before we get into this, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. 2020 is almost gone. We've done it. A lot has happened. But of course, we still have COVID-19 in our midst. And for all of you out there, please keep that social distancing going. Be safe, sanitize your hands, wear your masks. And for those that have lost loved ones, we mourn with you. We feel it with you. Nevertheless, if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bells button for notifications. You'll be kept up to date whenever new content drops, you know? And yes, so let's get into this. Let's do this. So what do I have for you today? Today we're looking at another Air Jordan 1, you know? Anyway, let's dive into this. Boom! Well, today we're looking at the Air Jordan 1 Mid in the band colorway. So this sneaker draws its inspiration from the Nike Airship that Jordan wore when he was banned from the NBA in 1985. It also draws its inspiration from the original, the classic Jordan 1 bread. As you can see, it has the red, the fiery red in the perforated toe, the eyelets, the collar, and the heel area. And this is contrasted by the black in the mid panel, the forefoot, as well as in the collar area. In the collar area, you also have the classic Air Jordan logo. The tongue is made up of nylon, and the tongue tag has a red, is accented by the red Jumpman logo. When looking at the sole, we can see the midsole is made out of the white color, and of course the outsole, red bottoms, baby. It also has black laces. The sock liner is black, the insole is black, and it's accented by the red Jumpman logo. Overall, this is a clean sneaker, you know. It's crisp, it's classic. Yeah, actually on foot now, which is not much different. Here I have my Jordan 1 Mid in the reverse bread colorway, and as you can see here, the major difference is of course the materials, because the Jordan 1, this reverse bread, has this sort of suede material in the toe area as well as the mid panel and the collar, but overall it's more or less the same. The real big difference is the outsole. First of all, this one is black, and then as you can see, there's this one panel here that's actually different in color. On the reverse bread it's red, and on the Jordan 1 band, the Jordan 1 Mid band, you have it in black. Anyway, these are both awesome sneakers, you know. Features the classic colorway of the Jordan 1. Awesome, clean, crisp, versatile. Can wear it in so many ways with so many outfits. Yeah, nevertheless, ladies and gents, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the show. And remember once again, it is the season to give. Also remember, it's more blessed to give than to receive. You can expect, as I've said in one of my previous episodes, soon I'll be announcing a big mystery box giveaway. Yeah, and I also have a few other surprises for you guys. But yeah, nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you had fun. And remember, it's not only about sneakers, it's also about making an impact. So let's grow this community in hope that it will make impact. I'm Icho. Thanks for joining me once again. Peace. I'm out.